And how long does it take for those seeds to start popping up, Nathan?
It seems like 10 million years.
But really, it's probably only like 4 days, isn't it?
Yeah. The Ready Life. Into the country. Welcome to the Ready Life podcast. This is the kids edition.
I'm Lisa.
And I'm Nathan. And I'm Heidi.
And today we're going to be sharing with you something that we're really excited about this week. But first, let's introduce our new guests. Nathan, what is your favorite thing to do?
To play with my turkeys.
You enjoy playing with your turkeys? How many turkeys do you have?
4.
You have 4 turkeys?
Yeah.
And what in the world are you doing with turkeys? Are you going to have them for Thanksgiving dinner?
No.
Okay.
It's just pets.
Yes. All right. And Heidi, what are some of your favorite things?
Playing dolls and playing with my chickens.
Oh, so you've got chickens. How many chickens do you have?
5.
5 chickens. Wow. And what are you getting from your chickens?
Eggs.
Ooh, and what spoiled family we are to have such wonderful homegrown eggs. All right. What do you want to be when you grow up, Heidi?
A nurse.
You want to be a nurse? And what about you, Nathan?
A mechanic.
A mechanic. What is a mechanic?
Someone that works on engines.
Someone who likes to work on engines. Well, that is really exciting. So, can you tell me what exciting thing are we going to do this week?
We are going to plant seeds.
We're starting all of our seeds for our garden this week? Ooh. Do you guys enjoy that, or is it really a boring thing to do?
No, it's fun. Fun.
Now, why in the world would starting seeds be so much fun?
You can have homegrown plants, which is a lot yummier, and it's a lot cheaper.
Oh.
I like the taste of homegrown produce.
Which one is your favorite?
It's hard between potato and carrots.
Potatoes and carrots?
And tomatoes.
Oh, definitely the tomatoes. What about you, Heidi? What is some of your favorite produce from the garden?
Strawberries, raspberries, and tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes. Wow, well, that's really cool. You know, I was wondering about seed starting. So why would you want to start with seeds? Why not just go buy pots at the store that have plants? I mean, I know when I go grocery shopping sometimes, I'll see in the spring like big trays outside the grocery store with all kinds of vegetables and stuff growing on the trays. Why would you want to start your own seeds?
Well, because you don't know when other people started their seeds, you don't know what dirt they used, what chemicals they may have sprayed on, and if they growed it and it's really healthy. And if you start your own seeds, then you know that it has healthy dirt. You didn't spray any chemicals, so it's healthy. You can grow it healthy, water it. You don't know all those things if you just buy it at the store.
Also, how much does it cost to buy those pots at the store? Do you remember, buddy? No?
$25.
Well, not quite that much. Maybe like $3 or $5. But how much do you think it costs to grow your own?
$0.
Very little, huh?
Maybe
it's much cheaper.
Maybe $50 for a package of seeds.
Yeah, you can buy a bunch of seeds and start all kinds of plants for your garden. So, yeah, it is a little cheaper, isn't it, to plant your own seeds?
A lot cheaper.
Yeah. Last year, do you remember when we started our seeds last year? Yeah.
Yes.
Where did we start them? Do you remember?
In the house. In the house.
What did our kitchen look like?
A greenhouse.
It looked like a greenhouse, didn't it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about starting those seeds?
smell it when I wake up, to go into the kitchen and smell the smell of them.
Smell the dirt?
Yeah.
Actually, that's mostly what we had all over the kitchen. You guys had a lot of fun playing with that dirt, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right, so how do we start seeds? Maybe I'm a new beginner and I have no idea. It's kind of intimidating. Like, this sounds scary. What do I do? How do I do it?
So you get a pot. You'll fill it with some good dirt.
Uh-huh.
And then get it moist. Then you're going to dig a hole about probably this long. Depends on what seed you're planting.
Oh, okay.
The package usually will probably tell you how deep of a hole you need to do. And then you're going to put the seed in. Then you're going to get the dirt and then cover the hole up.
Mm-hmm.
After that, you're going to not water it this time because the dirt is already moist. But every single day, you need to water it.
Oh, okay. And how long does it take for those seeds to start popping up, Nathan?
It seems like 10 million years.
But really, it's probably only like 4 days, isn't it?
Yeah.
Depending on which seed you started. The tomatoes take a little bit longer, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I wish they would come up right away.
Yeah, put the seed in and then boing, out pops the plant. Oh, but it's fun planting them, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What are we going to be doing this week when we're starting our seeds?
Hoping that they come up right away. Being careful and keeping them watered.
Mm-hmm. Yes. But we're going to be doing a class, aren't we, on Wednesday? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to plant our seeds and we're going to teach people how to do it. Give them all the tips and pointers on dirt and different containers. And what is one of the problems we ran into last year?
Fungus flies.
Oh, those terrible little fungus flies. Can you tell me about it, Heidi?
So we started off with a whole bunch of plants last year, and as soon as we moved them into our living room, the kitchen, soon there were these little flies that were called fungus flies. We didn't remember how to get rid of them, so we decided we would experiment and ask around.
Mm-hmm. We tried all kinds of stuff, didn't we? We sprayed different oils on it. We tried all kinds of stuff. Diatomaceous earth, remember? But what finally worked?
Building sand.
It was builder's sand. That's right. Just plain old white silica sand. And it worked. Well, we're going to be talking all about that in our class on Wednesday in the Ready Life Academy. So if you want to come join us for that class, go sign up at the Ready Life Academy and come learn how to start your own seeds from scratch. Learn the things to watch out for. Learn the things that make for a really good, healthy start to your own seeds. And come join the fun as we get muddy and plant our seeds. But got a question for you.
What?
It's a trick question. Why wouldn't you tell secrets in the garden? Why do you think you wouldn't want to tell any secrets in the garden?
Potatoes have eyes.
Oh.
Corn has ears.
And what else, Nathan?
And peas stalk.
There you go. So make sure you start your seeds this spring. Come join us in our class on Wednesday with the Ready Life Academy. And be sure not to tell any secrets in the garden. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.